Hey there kids, this is Math Recovery. Right above this video is a black button and it has a worksheet on it. And I'm going to do the first three problems on the worksheet. This is the second one. You can do 3 or 4 each night and you can check the answer key to see how you're doing. And when you're ready to test out, let me know and I'll give you a lemon drop if you can do it. Okay? Let's take a look at today's problem. It says this. It says 86 divided by 2. Now, in the last problem, I told you you could just keep subtracting 2's to find out how many 2's go into 86. So you could say to yourself, there's an airplane and it has 86 seats. How many groups of 2 people could I put on there? I could put on one group of 2 people, okay, and how many seats would be left? 84 seats would be left if I put on one group of 2. Then I could take 2 more people and I could put them on there. How many seats would I have left? 82, right? Now, I could keep doing this all the way until I got down to no seats left, and then I could add up how many groups of 2. There was one group of 2 here, one group of 2 here, and I could add all these groups up. But it would take me a long time to do that. Okay, so another way that I can do this is I could take big groups of 2's and we could subtract that. So let's try that. Okay, in the last problem we said that you could take groups of 10 and that would give you 20 each time. Okay, but you can even go bigger than 10's if you want. So for example, I know that if I used groups of 20, I know that 22's is 40. So let's put on 40 people at once. How many seats would I have left? I'd have 46 empty seats. I could put on another group of 22's, 20 groups of 2 people. That would make another 40. Okay? And I'd have 6 seats left. Well, I know that 6 seats would take 3 groups of 2, okay, and then minus that 3 groups of 2, and I'm left with no seats. So how many people could fit onto the airplane? Well, 20, 20, and 3. That would be 43 groups of 2. 43 groups of 2 could fit on the airplane, and that would fill all 86 seats. We can check our work by doing the inverse of division, and that's multiplication. 43 times 2, does that equal 86? Yes. 43 times 2 equals 86. I get a product of 86. Okay, so we know that we're right. Now, your parents would not tell you how to do this type of division because it's kind of clunky. So here's the way that they learned, and I'll teach you this too, is we're going to divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Okay? And so let's try that right here. We're going to take 86, and we're going to divide it by 2. We want to see how many 2's can go into 86. Now at first I don't pay attention to the 6. I'm just going to look at the 8. How many times will 2 go into 8? Well, I could get 4 groups of 2 into 8. Because 4 times 2 is 8. I subtract and I get a 0. Bring down the 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times. I can get 3 groups of 2 into 6. If I had a van that had 6 seats, I could fit 3 groups of 2 people into it. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract and I get a 0. There's nothing left to bring down, so my answer is 43, and the quotient over here was 43 also, so it's a match, isn't it? Okay, well there you go kids. You need to practice. The answer key is attached to the worksheet. Do a few, check a few. When you think you know it well enough, you can come see me and test out. And if you can do it, I'll give you a lemon drop. Okay? Keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Talk to you later.